Okay, so today's topic is telling the simple future tense. When we say future, we're going to tell activities or things that we will do in the future. Can you see my screen? What can you see? The grammar book, Unit 8? Okay. Oh, Piranat, you cannot see? Ah, your book. Open your book, page 37. And please turn off your microphone, Piranat. Oh, thank you. Okay, so our topic today is about telling the future. Simple future tense. Now, let's learn for a while. I need to take a picture. Okay, so the grammar rules in telling the future is we use simple future to talk about the future. If you want to talk about the future, like later, tonight, or tomorrow, next week, or if you want to talk about what will happen and what will we do next month, next year, okay? So future, things that are going to happen in the future. What are we going to use if we want to tell about the future? We use will plus verb. Will plus verb. Or we can use am for the subject I am. If subject is plural, we use are. Are. Subject plus are. You are, they are, we are. And singular is she is, and then going to plus verb to talk about the future. Now, first, we will learn first will plus verb. Okay, now, we will use will plus verb if we want to talk about decisions. If you decide, if you want to do thing now, if you want to do something now, by the time you speak, by the time you say it, you are going to use will. Example, affirmative. I do not write on the screen. Piranat, is that you? No writing on the screen. Erase. Okay. Affirmative means that is what you will do. When we say negative, opposite of will. Opposite of will is want. Example, it's hot here. Now, it's hot now. So I'll open the window. It means I will open the window now because it is hot. So I will use will. Saying by telling the action that I am going to do now. So will. But opposite of will, I will say want. Want. Negative. Opposite of will is want. Look, it's raining. I want to walk to school today. So, example, when you look at the window, look out the window, it's raining and you decided not to go to school. So you will say, oh, it's raining. I won't walk to school today. Or you will go to school but you won't walk. Maybe you will ride a bus or ride a car. So you say, I won't. Opposite, Piranat, please turn off your microphone. Opposite of will is want. Okay, again, you will use will if you want to talk about something that you will do now. By the time you speak, you will do the action, you will use will. Example again, Oh, it's hot here. I'll open the window, or I will open the window. It means now. I will open now. So I will use will. And if opposite of will, negative, you will not open, you will say, oh, it's cold outside. It's cold outside. I won't open the window. I won't. So, will is positive, want is negative. You are going to say will if you will do the action now. By the time as you speak, you will use will. And then in asking a question, you start with saying will. Will you go to school today? Will you eat? Will you call me later? Will. If you want to ask a question starting with will, you start it with will. Okay. Now, we also use will if we want to tell about the future, but you are not sure. You're not sure it can happen. But we want to guess or we want to tell what can happen in the future. Example in the book. In future or in the future, people will travel to Mars. Are we sure that people will go to Mars? Are we sure in the future people will go to Mars? Not sure, right? So just guess. We are just guessing. So we can use will. In the future, people will travel to Mars. If you want to guess. Negative, not negative of will, won't. But we are also going to tell about the future, but we are not sure that it will happen. Negative. So instead of will, we will say won't. In 100 years, we won't need electricity. Are we sure that 100 years from now, we won't need electricity? We are not sure. It's just a guess. So, won't. And then question. It's her first trip to Europe. Will she like it? It's her first trip to Europe. We are not sure if she will like it or not. So we will say, will she like it or won't she like it? Okay. So again, we are going to use will plus verb if we want to. Who is writing on the screen? Huh? Who is writing? Uh, okay. Let's continue. Pirana, turn off your. Okay. I will explain again. We are going to use will plus verb if we want to talk about the future. Now, we use will if we will do things now. Now as you speak, you use will. I will eat now. I will sleep. It means after you say will sleep, you will sleep. So you use will in telling the things that you will do now. By the time you speak and then you will do it, you will use will. Opposite of will, not do, you will say want. I want sleep now. I want to play more. Want. And in asking a question, you start with will. Okay. Now, next. We are going to use going to if we want to talk about our plans. You know plan. Plan is you are planning. What is plan? Come in. What is plan in Pasatay? Plan, huh? Again? Okay. Yes, plan. Okay. Okay. When you want to talk about your plan, oh, if if you want to talk about plan, like you are planning that later I'm going to do this. Tomorrow I'm going to. So if you want to talk about plan, you want to do something, you are planning. You will say I'm going to. I'm going to be a doctor when I'm older. I'm going to be a doctor. It's your plan that in the future you will be a doctor. But negative, I'm not going to be a teacher. I don't like to be a teacher because I will get stressed. So I'm not going to. It's a plan. I'm not going to. You put not. I'm not going to. But if you plan to be a teacher, so I'm going to be. And asking a question, you also start with, are you going to go to school tomorrow? Are you going to eat later? Okay. Ah, yes, come in. No, I didn't. I know some students is doing this one. I don't know who. I'm not the one. Okay. So again, if you talk about plans, you say going to. Plans. You are not going. Oh, who is that again? Who? Who did this one? Why cover? It's not me. Why will I put? I don't cover that one. Stop doing that. Stop doing writing on the screen. Okay, okay. Piranat, quiet. Shh. Stop. I'm just saying stop writing. Whoever is writing, stop writing on the screen. Okay, continue. Again, if we want to tell or talk about plans, what we're going to do in the future, we say going to. If not going to do it, opposite, I'm not. Piranat. Going to is you are going to do something in the future. It's a plan. But negative, you're not going to do it. You have to put not. And then in asking a question, are you going to? Okay. Now, if we want to predict, if we want to tell about the future, but we are sure that it can happen, there is evidence. It is sure that it can happen. We can say, oh, the sky outside is gray. It's going to rain. It is sure because we can see that the sky is gray. So we are sure that it is going to rain later because the sky is gray. But if not sure, if your guess is not sure, you use will like this. In the future, people will travel to Mars. We are not sure that people will travel. So we say will travel because not sure. But this one, the sky is gray. It is sure that it is going to rain. So we use going to. Again, in talking about the future, if we want to tell about the future but not sure, we say will. But if there is evidence, it is sure that it can happen, we will use going to. Okay? Ah. Now for the negative of going to. The players are tired. Examples, they are playing. Some players are playing. We can see them that they are very, very tired now. So we can say that, the players are tired. They are not going to win. They are not going to win because they are tired. So it's very sure. We are very sure that they are not going to win because they are tired. Okay? And then if we want to use a question with going to, this one, it is sure that she looks so sad. The girl looks so sad. So we can guess that because she's sad, she's going to cry. So we can say, she looks so sad. Is she going to cry? Okay. So again, we can use going to for our plans in the future. And we can use going to if we want to talk about the future that is sure to happen. It's 100% sure to happen. We can say going to. If 100% not going to happen, we can say not going to happen. Okay. So, I will show you my screen. Ah, it's okay. I think I know who is doing that later. Okay. So again, we will use will. We will use will if we talk about, or you are going you're telling something, you want to talk about something that you will do now by the time you speak. So you say will by the time you speak. Example, I will eat now. So it means now you will eat. So you use will. And we use going to if it is a plan. You're going to do the action not now, but you're going to do the action later. So we use going to. Okay, again, we will use will if we want to talk about something that you will do now. And you are going to use going to for something that is a plan, not doing now. You will do it, you are going to do it in the future. Okay, one more. Use will for telling, for talking actions that will happen now as you speak. You will do something as you speak now. You will use will. And use going to for activities that you're going to do later in the future, not now. Okay? And if we want to guess about something that is not sure to happen, not sure, will also. Tomorrow the sun will become black. Am I sure? Am I sure that tomorrow the sun will be black? I'm not sure. So I can say, I think tomorrow the sun will be black. I will say will. But if I'm sure that it will happen, I will use going to. Tomorrow I'm going to go to Big C. So that is my plan. That is my 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 plan. So it is sure. I am sure I'm going to Big C. So I will say I am going to Big C. Okay. But if not sure, no evidence, tomorrow the sun will be black, you can use will. Okay. So do you understand? Use will for activities that you will do now by the time you speak. And you use will if you want to talk about the future but you are not sure to happen. You use will. And then you use going to for things that you plan to do later, tomorrow, next week. And for telling the things that is sure to happen in the future, you will say go. You are going to use going to. Okay? Now, before we proceed to our activity, I will show you. See, I say I will. I will show you video because now, I will show now. So I'm telling you action that will happen now. So that's why I say I will show you. But for plan, I don't say I am going to show you video. Not going. Ah, I cannot erase this one. Who did this? Okay. Okay. This pen, stamp, erase, and undo. And it's okay. I will just put it here. Okay. Ah, okay. Okay. Let's watch now. Will. How to use simple future, telling simple future with will. Okay. So we use simple future by telling action that happens in the future. Three ways to use simple future. Will plus verb, like you decide to do now. For example, oh, what's this? And then you will use going to if it's a plan. I'm going to read a book after school. So it is a plan. And then you can also use be and ing before. Okay, one more. I will explain. Oh, wait. Okay, wait for a while. Ah. So, simple future. There are three ways to talk about simple future. First, will plus verb when you decide to do something now. Example, I will call you tomorrow. So you decide that, I will call you tomorrow. Tomorrow. You decide already. So you use will. The other one is going to decide before. Before doing it, you already have a plan. Before doing the action, I have a plan. Plan this one. I'm going to read a book after school. So you already have a plan that after school, you're going to read a book. So it's a plan. Next, you can use also I plus be plus ing verb. I am giving a presentation next Monday. It's in the future. It's a plan. So you use be plus ing. But in the book today we focus only with two kinds. Will plus verb and going to plus verb. Now, how we form simple future words of will plus base form of verb. We do not say will cooks. We do not say will cooks because not present, but we use a base verb. We also do not say will cooked, not past tense because it's past. So, not will cooks. Will cooks is wrong. Will cooked is wrong. Will cooking is wrong. Oh, last time I asked you to tell introduce your family. Example, this is my father. He likes to play. If you use to play, it's okay. He likes to play basketball. Or he likes playing basketball. But you cannot say to plus ing. He likes to playing. Wrong. He likes to play or he likes playing. Will also, you cannot say I will cooking tomorrow. No, it's wrong. I will cook tomorrow. Wrong. I will cooks tomorrow. Wrong. Base form. No ing. No ed. No s. But base form. Will cook. I will cook. Correct. I will cook. Subject plus will plus verb. Sample. Future for watch, will watch. I will watch TV, you will watch TV, he will watch, she will watch, we will watch, they will watch, students will watch, will watch. Will plus watch. I will text you after class. He will walk his dog tomorrow morning. Will walk. The students will go to school tomorrow. Oh, you do not say the students will going to school. My child, not will going. You cannot say will and going to together. No. Will go. The students will go to school tomorrow. Or it's very short. The student, it's a plan. The students are going to have field trip tomorrow. But cannot say will plus going X. Cannot. Not will going. Oh no. Yesterday is past already and will is future. So cannot, okay? Now we can make short the will. Contraction means to make short. So instead of saying will, we can say this one. Apostrophe LL. Example, I'll watch TV. You'll watch TV. Because you want to make short with will. You remove the WI, only apostrophe LL. So we can say I'll, you'll, he'll, she'll. But we can use that if the subject is pronoun. If I, you, he'll, she, they. But if subject is not pronoun like kami, no, cannot. Tanitao cannot. You can use only apostrophe LL for pronoun. I'll, you, will, she'll. Okay? Okay. Uh, okay. Uh, we can say I'll watch TV, you'll watch TV, he'll watch TV, she'll watch, we'll watch, they'll watch. But cannot say the students will watch TV, the students will. No, we have to use will for other subjects. We use only apostrophe LL for pronouns. This one. You'll be busy next week. Or you will be busy. She'll give a presentation. They'll drive to work tomorrow. Oh, we can use apostrophe LL. Now, it's a practice. Say a simple future tense. Example. Oh, what is answer? The verb is cook and then he. How to say? Okay. He will cook breakfast or he'll cook breakfast. Okay? You understand now? Let's go to your book. We have 15 minutes left. Okay, page 39. Let's try to answer page 39. First this time you will rearrange. You are going to, not going to because now you will do. So I will not say you are going to. You will rearrange the words in correct order. Number 1, will they arrive late? You start with will because how will we know? Because it's a question. We start with will and capital letter W. That's why will they arrive late? Huh? Ye- What page is this? 39? There is 38. Oh, where is 38? Okay, okay. 38. 39 is homework. Sorry. 39 and 40 is homework. We will do 38. Okay, sorry. Okay, 38. 38. You will write. Complete the sentences. Affirmative is do it. Negative is not do it. And then asking questions. So example, affirmative, I will cook. Negative, I won't cook. Question, will I cook? How about this one? Let's try. I will help you. You'll sing. What's the negative? You won't sing. Will you sing? Okay, very good. Next. He will come soon. He won't come soon. Question. Okay. Will he come soon? You try to answer first. Try. And then I will ask you. We will discuss later the correct answers. Remember, affirmative is positive or affirmative, and negative is opposite of affirmative. And then asking a question. TT, why TT? Only one T, apostrophe T. Ah, only one teeth. What? Ah, you use a pen? You're using a pen? Can put a little X, a little. Okay. Oh, turn off your microphone. Okay. Are you done? Not yet. Um, 3 minutes more, and we are we are going to answer. 2 minutes. Finish. Can we check? Yes. Yes, Tanita. Okay. Affirmative will or apostrophe ll, and negative won't or will not. Okay, let's wait for others. And then asking questions, start with will. How about other students? Are you done? Ah, really? Ah, let's answer. Okay. First, you'll sing, you won't sing, right? And then he won't come soon. Will he come soon? How about here now, the fourth line? The negative is she will not call tomorrow. Will she call tomorrow? Affirmative is she. Oh, she will call tomorrow. And why there are two lines? If she will call tomorrow or she'll call tomorrow. Oh, next. It'll work. It'll work. What's the negative? Huh? Negative of will, Tanita? Won't,ใช่ไหม? It won't work. Negative. Or it will not work. And question? Will? Will it? Yes. Will it work? Good. Okay, next. The negative is we will not meet next week. So affirmative is we will meet next week. And the question will will we meet next week? Very good. And the last one question, will they know? Will they know? What is the affirmative? They will know, and negative they won't know. Or you can say they will not know, they won't know. Okay. Last, because 39 is homework. Do you know the third page 39? No need to explain. Okay, so this one complete the sentence now. Letter A we use will. Now in letter B with going to and not going to. Okay, so example. I'm going to wait. I'm not going to wait for negative. And question, am I going to wait? Am I going to wait? Let's try together. You are going to fall. Negative. Negative. You are not going to fall. Or you can make the you are short. You can write UYOU apostrophe RE to make short. You can make you are short by writing YOU apostrophe RE. So to make short of UR, you can use you are, and you want to contract or to make short, you remove A and then apostrophe RE. So you are or your. Okay? Okay, so you're going to fall. Are you going to fall? You try to answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines. And then we'll discuss together the answer. Page 39 is easy because in letter A, you are going to rearrange the words correct order. And then letter B, you're going to complete the sentence using will or will not, or are or is going to. And then page 40, answer the conversation. So the activity that we did today, you also have to take a picture of this one and send together with the homework if you finish. Send together. Okay? Almost done. One minute is enough? Is 1 minute enough? Bacharor? Bacharor, you want to say something? Yes? Going to rain? You yes. Because affirmative it's or it is going to rain. So in asking question, is it? Affirmative it is. Asking question is first. Is it? Or it is a pen. Is it a pen? It is cute. Is it cute? In saying affirmative, it first, and then is, it is. In asking a question, salap, is first, is it? Statement, it is. Asking a question, is it? Okay? Mm. And then, after you answer, I'll give you 5-minute break to go to the toilet, drink water, get a charger. How about other students? Done? Can we answer now? A little bit, finish. Okay. Oh, 30 seconds. Oh, nati is minute. Nati and seconds is, what is seconds? Two? We nati. I forgot. Nati, minutes, seconds, we nati. You are going to add we. We nati. Nati. Okay. So, I will try to use this tool to write. I will use red. Uh, oh, you are going to fall. You are going to fall. So asking question are first. In statement you are, but in asking question are first. So are you going to fall? And negative, your, make short, apostrophe R-E. Oy, I have a nice handwriting. You're not going to fall. This one. He is. He is going to win. Negative, just add not. He is not going to win. In asking a question, start with is. So, is logo he. Is he going to win? Now, negative, she is not. She is not. So here, you only have to say, remove the not. Remove the not here. So you say, she is or she's. She's not going to speak. Is she going to speak? Okay, and now the question of Bocharor. Here is it's or it is. It's going to rain. So in question start with is. Is it? Is it going to rain? And negative, you have to only add not. So have hard time. It's not going to rain. And here, we're not going to have a party. Oh, we're not going to have a party. Usually, when we have face to face, we go to school in the end of the term and we have party. But now it's online. Oh, we can have party online. You eat in your house, I eat here, and we eat together online. Oh, here's your food. Let's eat. Oh, can have online party. Okay. We are. Okay. We are going we are going to have a party and here how? Are oh no. Oh no. We are we going to have a party? Okay? Are we going to have a party? Okay, understand? Easy, right? Why I cannot uh, uh, okay. Okay. Oh, there is last. Are they going to study? So here is they are going to study. They are not going to study. Or to make short with they are not, you can say they aren't. Same. They aren't or they are not going to study. Okay? So is your homework is in page 39. You are going to rearrange the words to make the correct order. And letter B, you're going to fill in the correct simple future tense. Will or will not. Am, are, or is going to. And 40, why is I will close. And in 40, where is that? In page 40, you're going to read the conversation and answer the questions for your homework. Okay, where is page 40? Okay, here is page 40. This one. So read the conversation and then circle the answer. Okay?